Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to come on really quick and talk to you about the discussion board assignment. Don't panic about this assignment. It is not hard, and I just wanted to walk you through it really quickly. So what you're seeing on your screen is the student view. So when you log into our class on Canvas, this is what you will see as well. So right now I'm on the home page, and where you need to go is modules. So you're going to scroll down to discussion board. This is just the instructions. Each student will be required to participate in 4 discussion board activities via Canvas. You can see the 4 topics. Each response is worth 25 points each. Just respond with 4 or 5 sentences, okay? I don't need a novel, nothing huge, nothing big. There are no right or wrong answers. Just think critically, be creative, okay? So you can find the discussion board where you reply under discussions. They're listed here, or you can also go under assignments. So we'll just stay under assignments. All right, discussion 1. How do you consider the subject of literature and language to be complex? So let's think about literature. How is that complex? How is it difficult? How is it hard? One way is that we have a lot of different genres, okay? Books, they increase in difficulty. Think about starting out with wordless books, like just books with pictures. And then you start increasing to maybe books that have just a couple of words. Then you get into chapter books, and then there's like college textbooks. So they increase in difficulty. Language is complex, especially the English language. The English language is the most complex language to learn because of all the words that we have. We have 26 letters in the alphabet. However, some letters have multiple sounds. And then think of the word like bat. The word bat is very easy to spell, B-A-T, bat. However, it has multiple meanings. It can be a noun, it can be a verb, and just with a noun, it has 2 different meanings. There's bat that you use for baseball or softball, but then there's also the animal bat. So just think along those lines of how literature and language can both be complex, can be difficult, can be hard. We're going to look at the next discussion question. Number 2, identify 2 ways that we as educators, we can keep we can keep literature and language culturally situated. So what that means is, how can you keep your students aware of the various cultures that are in our world? How can you let them know that there are people that exist that are different than them? Not only culture, race, but that are diverse, that, maybe have different needs than they do. One way, of course, is bringing that literature about the different cultures, about the different races, different beliefs, different backgrounds. We'll be talking about this in class. We do have 2 chapters on diverse literature and international literature. So we will be talking about ways that we can do this in class that will help you answer this question. Number 3, give 3 examples of how you can keep abreast of emerging ideas in the field of literature and language. This is an easy one. How can you as a teacher stay aware of what's going on in the world of literature? For me, one way is I am connected to a couple of teacher pages on Facebook where all we do is talk about books. What's going on in the world of literature? Hey, have y'all seen this new book about such and such and blah, blah, blah? No, I haven't, So just staying up to date like that. I collaborate with my colleagues over in Ramona Wood talking about literature. I attend conferences, webinars, I'm on some other groups. My Pinterest board is loaded down with ideas on how to support vocabulary, comprehension. So just think of ideas like that, okay? And then the last one, number 4, summarize why language and literature is important for children. Once again, 4 sentences, 5 sentences. Think about what would have happened if you had not learned to read. What would have happened if you had not learned to speak, put sentences together, put words together? What would have happened? So why is that important for children to learn? How is that going to affect their life on down the road as an adult? Okay. So once again, this assignment is not hard. All of these are due by Monday, November the 30th. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and let me know. I will definitely be more than willing to help you out. We will be talking about these throughout class, so hopefully that will help you out some too. I hope you have a good day, and I will see you in class. Bye.